How long does it take to get a green card? Quick answer to that is that EB-5 can actually allow you to live and work in the United States as fast as 100 days. This is using what's known as concurrent filing. Concurrent filing is when you file the I-526 petition and the I-485 petition at the same time. Previously, you needed to file an I-526, wait for that process to complete, get approved, and then file the I-485 adjustment of status, and that would get you the EAD, which is a employment authorization document. That process to get the I-526 approval was potentially 1 to 2 years and could even take 3 years for processing before an approval. Now you can use concurrent filing for EB-5 just like you did for H-1B and several other processes. You essentially can file to adjust status and get the EAD card immediately. We just had an investor use the concurrent filing process and receive their EAD in about 100 days. So we've proven that it already works. That is lightning fast compared to other options.